Good morning, dear student. Welcome my today class. Today I will teach chapter number 7. Chapter name is Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate. Okay, so student, in yesterday classes we have already discussed about weather, and today classes we will discuss about climate. Okay, so the scientists called meteorologists, okay, this one meteorologist, this one, okay, record the weather at average places every day. The records of weather have been preserved for the past several okay decades. Okay, these records help the meteorologists, okay, determine the weather pattern at a place. Okay, so the average weather pattern at a place taken over a long period of time, says 25 years, is called the climate of that place. Okay, so the average weather pattern, okay, climate means, so the average weather pattern, okay, average weather, the average, so the average weather pattern, okay, at a place, pattern at a place, okay, we can say the average weather pattern, okay, the average weather pattern at a place, okay, pattern at a place taken over a long period of time, period of time, okay, long period of time, say 25, okay, say 25 years, okay, say 25 years, okay, so is called the climate of that place, okay, is called the climate of that place, okay, climate of that place. So is that there are examples of climate, place of climate, okay, so example of place of climate, okay, so the temperature of Himalayas, okay, temperature of Himalayas or Himalayan region is very cold, okay, so student, Himalayas region is very low most of the time. That is why we can say that the climate of Himalayas region is very cold. Okay, so the temperature and the temperature in the Thar desert. Okay, Thar desert. Okay, the temperature of Thar desert is high most of the time. That is why we can say that the climate in Thar desert is very hot. Okay, very hot. In some parts of Meghalaya, the average annual rainfall in is 260 centimeter and above. Okay, 260 centimeter in above. Okay, so this is the rainfall. Okay, so it rains almost every day. We say that the climate in Meghalaya is hot and humid in Jaisalmer. Okay, the annual rainfall is 10 to 12 centimeter in a year. We say Jaisalmer has hot and dry climate. Okay, so student, next is the factor determination climate. Okay, factor determination, okay, climate, or determining climate. Okay. So the climate of a place is determined mainly by its distance from the equator, altitude, latitude. Okay, distance from the sea, winds, and human activities. Okay, so first is the distance from the equator. First is the distance from equator. Distance, okay, distance from equator. Okay, first is the distance from equator. Okay, distance from equator. And second is the altitude. Altitude. Okay, and third is the distance from the sea. Distance from the sea. Okay, distance from the sea. Okay, and first axis is a winds. Okay, fourth axis is a winds, and next is a fifth human activities. Human activities. Okay, that's clear. So student, I have explained one by one. Distance from equator. Distance from equator. Okay, so the tropic of Cancer passes almost halfway through India. Okay, the southern India lies in the tropical zone, and the northern India above tropical Cancer lies is subtropical zone. Okay, so lower the latitude, higher the temperature, and higher the latitude, lower the temperature. So latitude of a place affect climate. Okay, so latitude of place affect climate. Okay, and next is the altitude. Places located on high altitude, on hills, mountains like Simla, Srinagar. Okay, Uti, and cooler than places in the plains like Lucknow and Allahabad. Mountains can change over stock mines and rainfall, hence affect climate. Okay. So student, next is the distance from the sea. Distance from the sea. Okay. So the seas have a moderate effect on the temperature in the coastal areas. This means that areas close to the sea do not experience a large variation in the temperature across season. Okay. So the places near the coast such as Mumbai and Chennai experience less variation in temperature. Okay, then the place from far away from the sea. Okay, which have extreme climate with very hot. Okay, and with very hot and summer and very cold. Okay, next about winds. Okay, next about winds. Winds blowing from mountains region during the winter months. Okay, so the case other waves during summer hot and dry, winter cause hot waves is increases temperature. Thus climate depends on weather, winds, and hot or cold humidity. Okay, and next is human activities. Industrialization and deforestation. Okay, so a large quantities fossil fuels is utilized by the industrialization. Okay, use of fossil fuels is responsible increases carbon dioxide. Okay, concentrating the atmosphere, thereby causing acid. Okay, and pollution. Okay, then next is the deforestation, large scales cutting trees. Okay, research in increased amount of carbon dioxide the atmosphere. This increase in the temperature of atmosphere, thereby affecting the climate. Okay, so I hope understood all of you today topic climate and factor determining the climate. Have a nice day. Good day.